Hey folks, welcome back to Real Estate Investing Unmasked. Today we're going to talk about one of the most important things you can do when it's time to sell your house, and that is to get a pre-sale home inspection. So what's a pre-sale home inspection? A pre-sale home inspection is when you hire somebody, whether it's an inspector or a real estate agent, to come out and take a look at your property and tell you everything that's wrong with your property. You could wait until the buyer hires an inspector. It's true. You could. And when they have their inspector come out, they could tell you everything that's wrong, and that's when the buyer's going to say, hey, give me a credit for this and a credit for that, $1,000 for this thing that would cost you $100. Give me $5,000 for something that would cost you $2,000, etc. Or you could pay somebody about $300 to $500 to come in, take a look at your property, tell you all the things that they see up front, and take care of them before the buyer comes out. Now, here's the caveat to that. If you know everything that's wrong with your property, you've got to disclose all those things to the person who's buying the property. So that is the one caveat of getting a pre-sale home inspection. However, most of the things in the pre-sale home inspection are going to give you all the things that you need to fix up the place so that there's nothing for them to find when the new inspector comes out. And if they do find something, it's usually very small or unimportant, and it's something that you can disclose in the seller disclosures. These inspections are not very expensive. They're usually just a couple $100, and when it comes to selling your house, that couple $100 may mean thousands of dollars in your pocket. So make sure you get your home inspector. Now, as far as hiring the home inspector, you want to go with somebody who is reputable. You may want to contact your real estate agent or your realtor and ask them if they know somebody who's been doing home inspections for a very long time. It could be a handyman that you could hire that could come out and do the home inspection, that could walk around and see different things. But if you get a home inspector, somebody who specializes in home inspections, then you're more likely to get a more exhaustive list than if you get a handyman who can just go around and see things that they are expert at. Quite often the home inspectors have a laundry list of things that they look at. They have everything, they have a checklist that they go by to see what it is that they think would be best for you to fix up. Things that they look at. They see some kind of damage that maybe you haven't noticed, perhaps. After all, you've been living here for a while, and some things you just get used to every day. Having a fresh set of eyes come in your house and tell you all the things that they see that should be repaired or could be repaired before you sell is a really good way to have your house ready to go and top notch, so your closing goes quickly and for top dollar. So guys, if you have any other suggestions, please feel free to put down in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.